Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a low mileage 2016 Hyundai Tucson Sport all-wheel drive. Stock number Z7282A. Only 15,000 miles on this one owner. Local trade, clean auto check, history report, platinum silver in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 3-year 36,000 mile bumper to bumper and 5-year 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. It's a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. Seats 5, cloth interior, lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. And power liftgate for convenience. Lots of storage space in the rear. And not only low miles, but very clean. No dents or dings in the body. This Sport has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Start. Large, easy to read gauges. Again, only 15,000 miles. Steering wheel mounted audio controls, cruise control, easy to operate radio and CD player, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. And that is of course where the backup camera display is. Heating and air conditioning along with heated front seats, USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect those mobile media devices. 7-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. An all-wheel drive lock for the greatest capability in inclement weather. Large storage space in the armrest. And a glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Tucson has a 1.6 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 175 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates, an average of 23 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 28 on the highway, and approximately 50% tire tread left. For more information on this Tucson, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.